So if you're in front of screens all the time, you're going to crave more hyperpalatable foods, highly processed foods, because your dopamine system's constantly looking for another hit of something to keep it going. Same with the phones. Like those also like hijack that system and make you addicted to it.
Why does the blue light specifically hijack the dopamine system?
It's addicting to our system.
The blue light?
Yeah.
How so?
So when it interacts with the eye, there's these receptors called melanopsin. It's a blue light detector in the eye. Blue light is also directly stimulating dopamine, the dopaminergic neurons. It gets you excited. I mean, I imagine evolutionarily speaking, during the daytime when blue light is at its highest, you need to be cognitively alert, you're awake, there's certain functions that correspond with the daytime when you're exposed to that blue light. However, the blue light that we're receiving now is not the same because, like I mentioned before, it's like this big bolus of blue light in isolation. We're not receiving those balancing effects of red infrared and also UV. And so these endorphins, they not only reduce anxiety and depression and improve mood, they also improve cognition, learning, and memory. And they allow us to basically cruise at altitude dopamine-wise. So we're now, if we're receiving this like drug-like effect from UVB light exposure, now we're not going to be craving other things like processed foods or social media or other things that addict us to the sun. And then when you see that, it makes it perfect sense why we are addicted to the sun and why nature would want to do that, because we're meant to be in it, right? Like, why would we make endorphins, these endogenous opioids, if we weren't meant to be in the sun?